It's Kia, and it's another try it before you buy it. Your girl is always on Pinterest finding things to create. I'll put in the description box what I used as far as materials and the lengths of which I cut the rope. You'll need 2 long strands of macrame rope to start the front and the back. So I started working on the back first, and I used 6 strands for the back. And what you do is just a loop. You literally push it through, as you can see there. So I'll do this, and then I will finish it off with 6, and it goes across, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to connect the strands together to get a triangular shape. I'm going to zoom in so you can see how I loop and create a knot. I'm slowing it down so you can see, but I'm wrapping one strand over the next, creating a circle, then looping between the two and pull down. And you can play with this type of slip knot so it can give you a perfect triangle. And you just keep repeating it. You're just every other row or knot, you're going to take an adjacent strand and connect them. Now I'm going to try it on just to see if it fits because this is my first time. I wanted to know actually, is this actually going to fit me? And it does. I'm trying on the back, by the way. So just you keep repeating it until as far as you want to go down. Where do you want the knots to stop? I finished the back, so now I'm going to move to the front and do the same thing. I added more string to the front. I added 8 because I wanted the triangles to be closer. As you can see, I left space for a sleeve, so you just leave one big hole on the side. Leave that opening and don't start connecting until you have the desired sleeve for yourself. Really was not a tough project, just a little bit of taking your time, but overall, I love the results. Would you try this or would you buy it?